It's just ma-rejoin ko, ma-rejoin ko. Ma-rejoin, ako ma-rejoin dyan, ako ma-rejoin ko. Uy, ano, Jay, ba't lumabas kayo? Ano, Jay, I'm going to beat you all so bad, I'm so best. I am a capybara. Ano ba tayo ko? Ang kapibara man Japon?
Yes.
Or Japon?
Hey, you're the new one, right?
I will teach you how to prepare ano mga ice cream flavor ta? Orange, cherry, banana, blueberry, and green apple. Wow, delicious. Dapat akong employee of the month mo. Come on, get out of here with this.
Pick 3 flavors of your choice and add them onto the cone. Normally you would hand it to the customer now. But this time, throw in the trash bin behind you.
Ay, kanugo na ako. Meron na, kanugo na. Boy mo lang gali.
Order. You can throw the failed creation in the trash.
It's not always, bro. Hand it over to me, bro. I'll eat it. Bro, wait. Bro. Oh, bro.
Okay, the
You know-
flavors will get empty over time. To refill them, we need to prepare the cotton
What was
candy.
Wait
this
for emote on
candy
your
flavor?
face. I'm going to emote on your face.
Grab the box of the cherry flavor. Now you have to add the flavor into the
Report
machine.
Castaneda. Sa Roblox. You do this part, bro. You dumb nigga. Ako lang yung madusong part nga because I am the best. I will refill. Alin that flavor? Uyang ko lang ang akong pukang na mo. Ako
Share.
lang. Oy, ako lang. Nyo Din vanilla flavor? Cherry, guro. Sa vanilla.
That's about it. One last thing
Ako
though.
lang ma-refill ka mo lang
The
bagya.
boss might visit you. If she does, listen carefully.
Okay, bye. Nakatuto. Wala ka man pulos nga boss ka. Korapti mo. Lakat eh. Makaan ka karoon. Hindi lakatin. Lakat di. Hindi ka. Lakat di. Wow. Nadula sa. Oh, si Castaneda. This is Castaneda, bro. This is Castaneda. Castaneda is
No.
here, though.
No, I'm not.
Castaneda. Banana and blueberry. Ew, get out, bro. That's the weirdest combo ever. Get out, bro. Just get out. Get out. Bro, why did you sell him?
I don't know.
Really? Okay? Gets nyo? Wala nyo naman kasi natsura. Yung tao sa thumbnail. Ang anong babae sa thumbnail. Why is Castaneda the employee of the month, bro? Get out. Get the out of here.
No, I'm not.
You, here.
Bro, it's not me, bro. It's a monkey.
It's you. Wow. I'm going to poop on your face. Oy, baba na. Dapat ba na? Naging hatag mo, bad sim. Okay, amo na. Oy, bad sim mo. Store. Bro, what is this? What the?
Big rock. Never mind. Steel.
What is this? Okay, ma-refill ako. Ay, karoon na. Pagali. I'm going to refill Mr. Clean. Okay. Mag... Oy, ako ma-refill. Next customer ma-arrive na sa... This... You scammer mo naman. Shadow is next customer. Get out. You're not invited in here, bro. Only Amy. Get out, bro. Get out. Get the hell out of here, Shadow. Si Shadow. Fancy mo. Out. Yung bayaan ni Shadow. Bad ka, Shadow. Binayaan niya ta. Oy, next customer. Pansin niya.
Worst jump scare ever.
Pansin get pa ko. Niya.
The worst jump scare ever.
Para
This is
next
the white
customer,
TV.
oh. Oo. Oo. Bro, this is Luke. Bro, this is Luke. This is Luke's avatar.
Let's look. Shiglatsky.
Shut up, bro. It's not you. Bro, just... Oh. Okay. Ano next ko?
Bro, he's dead.
Bro, you died?